कोर्ट साफ चाहिए था, मैंने करा दिया। मेडल चाहिए तो वो भी दिलवा दूंगा, 26 जनवरी आने दो।
What will I do with medals?
कुछ भी कर, घर पे सजा, छाती पे लटका, फोटो खिंचवा।
I look very bad in photos, sir.
हाँ
वो आपके लिए ठीक लगेगा।
व्हाट?
Photos, sir. You look very good and sexy in photos, sir. Really, कसम से, you look very good, sir.
Makkana Silvan, which means people's treasure. Vijay Sethupathi was given this title by director Seenu Ramasamy. While most actors tend to stick to safe roles after achieving fame, Vijay has done the exact opposite. He has acted over 50 films in just over a decade, taking on diverse and challenging roles that many wouldn't dare. Why does he take such risks? Why is he a people's man? Let's dive into why Vijay Sethupathi is so special.
स्वीट खाओ खाओ मेरी जान खाओ हंसना प्यार से कराओ ना हंसो
Born in Rajapalayam, Tamil Nadu, he grew up in a humble environment. Vijay Sethupathi's journey is fascinating. Initially, he worked various jobs, including a stint in Dubai, before returning to India. His interest in acting was sparked while working as an accountant for a theatre group. Influential figures in his early career included directors and co-stars who recognized his potential and gave him opportunities. Vijay's career began to gain momentum in 2007 with supporting roles. His breakthrough came with Thenmark Parvakatru in 2010, followed by the success of Pizza in 2012. His performance in Super Deluxe in 2019 marked another significant milestone, showcasing his range and depth as an actor.
कितने का है?
70,000 सर।
हाँ?
70,000 डिस्काउंट के बाद ही बता रहा हूँ, मेरे को कुछ नहीं बच रहा है इसमें। कम करने मत बोलना, बस नहीं हो पाएगा।
मैंने कुछ बोला क्या तो खुद ही मेरे लिए बार्गन करता है साला कभी तो हमारा काम होना चाहिए ना।
Vijay's influence extends beyond Tamil cinema. His Hindi dubbed films have reached a wider audience, making him a pan-India star. He has also worked in Telugu and Malayalam films, further broadening his appeal. Vijay is known for his natural and realistic acting style. He chooses diverse and challenging roles that push the boundaries to conventional cinema, making each performance unique and memorable.
आप शराब पीते हैं?
यस आई डू।
क्या आप हर रोज शराब पीते हैं?
नहीं, बहुत महंगा है, इतना पगार नहीं मिलता है।
It's costly.
नो मैडम, आई डोंट ड्रिंक डेली मैडम। पीता हूँ बट ओनली ऑन सोशल ओकेजन एंड आई नेवर ड्रिंक एंड ड्राइव।
क्योंकि आपको गाड़ी चलाना आता ही नहीं है।
मेरे साथ आई थी क्या?
Despite his fame, Vijay remains humble and relatable. He often talks about his humble beginning and stays grounded, which endears him to fans. His off-screen personality is as genuine and modest as the characters he portrays on screen. Vijay's journey is one of persistence and passion. He transitioned from small roles to lead roles through sheer determination and hard work. His willingness to take risks and tackle unconventional roles sets him apart. Vijay's dedication to his craft and his relentless pursuit of excellence have been key to his success. He continuously challenges himself, never shying away from difficult roles or projects. Vijay Sethupathi's journey from a humble background to a celebrated star is inspiring. His versatility, humility, and genuine connection with his audience makes him a true people's man. If you haven't already, I highly recommend watching Vijay Sethupathi's films. Despite the language barrier, his exceptional talent and the authenticity he brings to each role are truly remarkable. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.